This is Mohammed Hassan Manaz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the front view, and this is the cross-sectional view of this section AA. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, I will first draw a circle of 48 diameter. After drawing this 48 diameter circle, I will distribute it to 40 minus 10 unit. Then I will draw this outer circle, and this outer circle has a diameter of 70 unit. So then I will distribute it to 10 unit. After that, at last I will draw the inner circular cut circle, and this inner circular cut, this circle has a diameter of 34. Then I will cut it to through all. Okay, so I'm selecting the front plane. Now sketch. Now select circle. Now point the circle and draw a circle of 48 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 minus 10 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now again select this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle. Place the circle to the origin. Now dimension it to 70 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now it's time for the extrude cut circle, and for drawing the extrude cut circle I will select in this face. Now normal to it, and extrude cut circle, it has a diameter of 34, so set the diameter to 34 unit. Press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So we have done our first step. Now it's time for drawing this rectangular shape. For drawing this rectangular shape, first of all I will draw this constructed geometry circle shape, which has a dimension of 60 diameter. After drawing this circle, I will then draw a center line from here, and from this center line I will draw offset line here, and this offset line dimension will be 19 plus 10 unit. And also I will draw another offset line here, and this distance will be 19 plus 10 unit. Then I will trim all the extra portion. After trimming all the extra portion, I left with this two line. Then I will offset again here and here. Then I will close the shape, and then I will extrude boss. For extrude bossing it, we can see it has extrude boss of 8 unit. So let's do this. So selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle of 60 diameter. After drawing that circle, now select the center line and draw a center line from here to here. Now press OK. Now we need to offset this center line. Select this line, select offset entities, and offset it by 19 plus 10 unit. Uncheck the cap int, bidirectional, press OK. Now select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part that we don't need. So zoom here and also trim here. Also zoom in the upper portion and trim this also. Now press OK. Now it's time for doing the rectangular shape. So again I'm selecting the offset entities. Now select this line as it has a dimension of 10 unit. So I'm selecting 10 unit. Now uncheck the bidirectional. Now select the cap int. Now select line. Now press OK. Do the same thing for this line also. Reverse the direction. Press OK. Now it's time for extrude boss. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 8 unit. Now press OK. So we have done our drawing our sketch. Now it's time for all the extrude cut holes here. So I'm zooming here. In here we can see first of all the outer circular radius has 7 and it has a extrude cut of 2 unit. So first of all I'm going to do that. Then we can see we have a inner circular cut here, and this inner circular cut has a 5.5 diameter, and it has a extrude cut of 8 minus 2 units, so it will be 6 unit. Then in the bottom here we can see we have another hole widget of M4 of dimension 8 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it, now select circle and zoom here and place the circle to the center. So you can see we have a dotted line, and also from this midpoint, if you see, we have another dotted line. When these two dotted line appear, click, and now dimension it to 7 unit. Do same thing in the lower part also. Now from this midpoint you can see the dotted line. Also from this midpoint we will see another dotted point. When these two dotted line coincident, now click, now dimension it to 7 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 2 unit. Now press OK. Now zoom in and select this inner part. Now sketch, now normal to it, now select circle and draw a circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 5.5 unit. And also in the lower part also place the circle here, and now dimension it to 5.5 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 8 minus 2 units, so it will be automatically 6 unit. Now press OK. Now it's time for the M4 hole size. For doing that we need to make hole widget in this inner face. So I am selecting the hole widget option. Now select this option and here select the size of M4, and we have the dimension of 8 unit. 8 unit extrude cut. So dimension here is 8 unit. Now select the position and 3D sketch and position your here, and another cycle, zoom in here and position another in this surface. Okay, it has been placed. Now press OK. So we can see we have done our drawing. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.